Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Monday, August 17th, 2015. I want to showcase two charts that are making amazing bullish patterns here. Two very well-known names. The first one being Twitter, TWTR. Take a look at the pattern that's forming here. This is one of those patterns you have to love. All right, and again, look at the drop, and then look at the reversal. And then look at these inside bars. Very tight range right here. This is what's called a bull flag. All right, basically a right angle off of an up move. I love it when it occurs off the 52-week or multi-year lows on a chart like this one. And again, this one ultimately should expect a pop. I think it even happens this week to the 20 moving average to about $31 and change. So again, that would be my projections based on this pattern. The only thing that would cause this to fail would be any close below the low here, which would be around the 2690 level. But again, right now, guys, that is a beautiful pattern. Look at that pattern right there. All right, up move, and then inside consolidation bull flag with projections up to about the 20 moving average. The next stock I want to highlight for you guys is 3D. Take a look here, guys. Beautiful inside bar bullish pattern as well. You had this huge reversal on heavy volume, which is always a positive signal on the chart. And then look at all these inside bars underneath the 20 moving average. The only thing that's keeping this from ripping higher is the 20 moving average. When that breaks, this is going to explode to the upside. All right, again, this is another classic bull flag pattern. Look at the right angle. Put a line right here. It's a 90-degree angle from up, sideways. All the consolidations occurring at the high end of the up move here. That's exactly what you're looking for. The 20 MA is sloping down. That's keeping it down. So the projections are that this should break this week to the upside. And when it does, the target's going to be the 50 moving average. If it gets through the 50 moving average, could go as high as the $25 range right up here. But first target's going to be the 50 MA at around $17. It's a nice gain. Stock's trading at $13.50. Gets to $17. That's a lot of potential profit right there. Okay, so again, beautiful pattern here. Get ready for the bull flags to take hold here and play out. And again, enjoy it. Now, lastly, what I want to quickly do is just show you here in themoneystocks.com. I want to show you our track record so you know what we're talking about here. Here's in themoneystocks.com. If you rotate on the website over under free market action, you have the Research Center track record, fully updated, third-party audited. And look at this, guys. 635% net gain, almost 636 net gain for 2015. The last trade we just closed out was soon. We closed that out on Friday. 22% gain. Unbelievable gain right there. How awesome is that, guys? 22% gain in 2 days, the 11th to the 13th. Huge, huge gain there. Nike was a short, Micron long, and you can just go down the list here. Look at all these trades for the year. And there you can see some losers in there. We don't shy away from that. It happens. But the point is the net gain. If you have all the losers and all the winners combined, the net gain is 636% for 2015. We just put out a new trade today on that. I also want to show you the options alerts. Here's the Research Center. This is where you get these trades. So the Research Center is where you get the trades that you're seeing right now. The options alerts are the options plays. And look at the track record for the options right now, 2,830% net gain. And there's some losers in there too. We don't shy away from that, but look at that. Look at all the options trades you've gotten and look at all the winners out there. Net gain 2,830% for 2015. And I put out a new options play today as well. I love it, and it should be a net major profiter in the coming weeks. All right, so again, guys, you want the options plays? Very simply, it's the options alerts. All right, options alerts right here underneath investor trade alerts. If you want what we just talked about before, the swing trades on stocks, Research Center right there. These are your two major options right here. That's what you want to go for. All right, guys. Come join us here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. As always, it's a pleasure. And again, hope you learned something. Hope you profit. Take care.